Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A little bit different video today. I'm showing you my lighting setup, how we film, how everything is placed, all of that good stuff. My backdrop, you know, all the filming goods. This is such a highly requested video, so here it is for you guys. If you want to see everything and all the equipment we use, just keep watching. So most importantly, we're going to start with lighting. These are actually the lights that I use for my daily tutorials, but I only use one of them at my vanity. So these are the same lights as what I use every day, but I have 5 of them here for YouTube. You can kind of see the placement. And of course I sit over here right directly in the middle. And they're from Neewer. I hope I'm saying that right. As always, everything is going to be listed below. We got one of these and we loved it, and then we just kept adding. So it's more of a wall of light. And I love these because they just pick up glitter and eyeshadows, and they just make everything look so, so good. And the color temperature is just a lot better on these as well. So this is our lighting. This is how it's set up. And of course, links are below. Oh, and one more thing. These are actually sold separately, so we ordered a bunch of these. These are designed for this light, the little diffuser, so we're gonna have that link below too. All right guys, since we're over here, I'm gonna show you my preview monitor. Fun fact, this didn't work for like a year because Ben had to get an actual preview monitor for his camera. So it would only work when he hit record, so most of the time I had no idea what I was doing. It's a blessing to have a preview monitor. Of course, I'll have this listed below, and oh, it's on an arm too, so it's normally just like that when we're filming. Lifesaver when you're filming. And then I just have a little table here. I don't even know where we got this one. There's really no telling. Honestly, the table doesn't matter at all. I do like this one with my chair, but then again, my chair is from Impressions Vanity and it's adjustable, so the table doesn't matter at all. This is the little mirror that I kind of keep off to the side just to look and make sure things are looking right even in a mirror. With a preview monitor, it's great to have it, but I still like to have a little mirror on the side. This one is also from Impressions Vanity. It's the little Hello Kitty one. Super comfy chair. Like, I sit here, obviously it takes me probably 2 hours to film at YouTube, and I'm always super comfy in this. I don't know if you can see down there, but Dougie is always extra comfy in his little bed. That's where Dougie lays while I film. And let's see what else. Next up, backdrop. Okay, next up we're going to talk about backlighting, and backlighting is so crucial because it just cuts you out from the backdrop, and it just makes a huge difference in your videos. So the 2 we have here, they're called Savage. I think he got these on Amazon too. He'll give me all the links. We'll have it all linked below, and I'll label everything. I know this is a lot of information and I want to make it simple, but I know most importantly it's just about links. It's all about the links. And then our backdrop here, I have had this same backdrop for 100 years. Did you think 100 years wouldn't be in here? You knew it would be. I want to show you the piece of material. Let me grab that, because normally this is just what it looks like. It's black on the back. This is your standard backdrop. This is the one that you're gonna see everywhere. I'll find you the link for it, and then you're gonna see these, and I'm gonna grab something and I'm gonna show you what that is. So here we have 2 yards of material. This is from Blue Moon Fabrics. I will find a link for this as well. They have all different colors, but this is just super stretchy and it stretches over this so wonderful. So to change my backdrop, I just change out my material. And that's why you see all of these clips here. These are just from Home Depot as well. We just clip this up and we go all the way around, and that's how I change the backdrop. I always have this up though, so we can clip these to this backdrop. Now I want to let you know that Ben just tried to describe to me in detail what kind of mic I have. But you guys have to remember that Ben is an audio engineer. He has been an audio engineer for the past 13 years. I still have no idea. I do wear a lapel mic, and then of course we have this. I'm just kind of showing you, we're naked today. Why are we naked? But yeah, we have this going on here. I'm gonna have that linked. This one he actually purchased recently, so I know the link will be new and all of that. And then I have my transmitter box. It's easier. Receiver, see, this is what he does to me. This is the transmitter, that's the receiver. And I'm getting the sweetest smile ever right now. He is so cute. So like I said, I don't know as much about that, but that's gonna be linked below as well. I want to show you, or at least link below his, what do you have up there? your thing right there, your screen. Yeah, maybe I'll just take a picture of it and I'll just pop it right onto that. I'll show you kind of the camera setup and the tripod that it's on and just a picture. And then that's gonna be linked below as well. We use I'll even link the camera. It's a Sony A7 SII. And I do know what the camera is. I type that out to you guys every single day. I think that is it. It's actually, I have a really small house, so I've kind of turned my living room into my filming room. But I don't have the kind of life that I really need a living room. So it's working out just perfect. I'm hoping that in a couple of months I'll be able to start on a studio behind my house, God willing. So we'll have that. That'll be a really fun tour for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, there's not much to go into detail about, but it's just more about going and clicking links and even researching yourself and just figuring out more. This is my setup. I love it. It's done really well for me, and I actually just got all of these new lights and I'm loving the new content. Way to go, Ben, thank you. Okay guys, this is it. This is my setup. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it was short, but there's only so much that we can go into detail about. It's really, like I said, it's about the links and just showing you how I have it set up. So if you guys wanna pause it, kind of look at the placement of the light, all of that, do that. I know it's really about trial and error. Ben and I are always still learning. We're always still progressing. So even though this might look like the win-all, just know that Ben and I will probably be changing things monthly. So always keep that in mind, always progress, and I love you all so much. Bye.